Hey everyone, let's talk about Google Workspace. It is basically a one-stop shop for all your work needs. Perfect whether you are a small team or a large corporation. You get Gmail for professional emails, Google Calendar to keep everyone on the same page, and Google Drive for easy file sharing. No more emailing huge attachments. Then there's docs, sheets, and slides. Imagine working on a presentation together, all at the same time, seeing everyone's changes instantly. And Google Meet makes video conferencing a breeze. It is super accessible too. You can use it on your phone, tablet, or computer, anywhere you have an internet connection. Security is top notch, keeping your data safe and sound. Plus, you can easily scale up or down as your team grows or shrinks. Now, it's not perfect. Some might prefer a more customizable interface, and you do need internet access. And the price varies depending on what you need. So check out the plans to find the best fit for your budget. But overall, Google Workspace is a really powerful tool that makes collaboration so much easier. It is definitely worth considering if you're looking to boost your team's productivity.